The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal is now in force. Let's take a look at the latest about Typhoon Koinu. At 1 a.m., Typhoon Koinu was centered about 80 kilometers south-southwest of the Hong Kong Observatory. Koinu is forecast to move west or west-northwest slowly, edging closer to the western part of the Pearl River estuary. Meanwhile, rain bands associated with Koinu are affecting the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Locally, more than 50 millimeters of rainfall were recorded over many places last night, and rainfall of around 100 millimeters were even recorded over the southern district of Hong Kong Island and Lamma Island. From the radar imagery, we can see that rain bands of Koinu extend 200 kilometers to the east of its center. These rain bands will persistently affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary this morning and bring squalls to the region. Winds may be occasionally up to gale force. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force at least until 11 a.m. today. Finally, please be reminded that precautions against high wind should not yet be relaxed. As seas are still high and there are swells, please stay away from the shoreline and low-lying areas. Don't engage in water sport activities.